Welcome to the Instagram Business Guide. I studied Instagram algorithm. I usually study it on daily basis, you can say, because on daily basis it's going to change a lot. Like on every day, the Instagram is playing with the algorithm. They are adding on some tweak to into in, and which of course Instagram is growing, but the problem is coming with the creators. Like previously we were shooting the videos on the TikTok and now the Instagram, so they are fighting together to winning situation. They both won, but nowadays Instagram worked a lot for it. So what Instagram is doing, Instagram is focusing a lot on the video strategies. Yes, that's a real fight. Just I'll ask you the question, like if you open the Instagram, so instead of watching the photos, instead of looking the photos, what you do, what you watch reels, right? So reels is equals to the videos. Instagram stories, to you can watch the stories of those only who you are following, right? So Instagram is updating the algorithms, and nowadays the best working part is the video marketing, I must say. Okay, so hey, before starting the complete Instagram guide, myself Disha Rathi, I'm the founder of the Digital Enterprises and I'm the international author. Into the Digital Enterprises, we usually train the business owners to start, grow, and amazingly understand the techniques of the digital marketing and social media marketing. If you want to grow your business using the digital marketing and the social media marketing strategies, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I usually share on this channel the complete tips for the business owners that which they can adapt and grow their business. Okay, so statistically I studied that Instagram is continuously growing and they are updating their things. Nowadays they have launched one more platform. It is called as a Threads, similar to the Twitter. Okay, so we will talk about the Threads later on, but only I want to tell you that Instagram is continuously updating the strategies. But nowadays what's working and what's not working, I'm going to share with you. The best part is the videos. Okay, so now if you are someone who is just not putting the videos, who is not generating the videos for your business, then you are lacking behind. You think that only photo sharing is can boost your Instagram feed, you can add the captions and you can add the hashtags as well into the photos, and you think like after adding all the captions and the hashtags properly, you will get the boost, you will get the engagement on the Instagram. So the chances are very nice. Okay, so the best strategies is the video. So if you're not paying attention in video making strategies, then you have to start it from today. Okay, so videos works a lot. So in the videos, what you can do, you can make the Instagram reels or the stories. Now there is a difference between the Instagram reels and the stories. Stories are something which is on the Instagram feed, would only valid for the 24 hours. Okay, so we will talk about the Instagram stories. So Instagram stories have introduced in the year of 2016, and Instagram stories are the staple of your everyday routine, like what you are doing, what you're not doing. You can capture those moments via the videos, and you can shoot them, and you can copy them into your Instagram stories, because Instagram stories is your continuously day-to-day activity, what you are doing, what you're updating, what your team is doing, all that you can share on Instagram, and it is validity is only for 24 hours. So that's why we are not usually basically promoting a lot of products. It's not recommended, because on stories it's like people are just going through your daily life. It's like a WhatsApp status. You are checking off your WhatsApp status of your the friends. Its stories is like that. So stories will be only checked by your followers. The people who are following you, only they can see your stories. They can check what you're doing into your daily life, and you can ask many questions, the polls and the engagement type of things you can do into your Instagram stories. But make sure one thing, Instagram stories are only valid for 24 hours. So ideas what you can share on your Instagram story is the behind the scene, your daily day-to-day routine, what you bought today, or how's your day today, and what you did, which books you read. Or you can run the poll type of questions. You can ask your audience, you can ask your followers like what they are looking for, what the solutions they want, like all that type of things you can think on this, what you can post on the Instagram stories. Now let's talk about Instagram Reels, and which is really very trending, because Instagram Reels are nowadays, they are everywhere, everyone is watching it, and it's very booming on Instagram right now. Okay, so it's launched in year 2020, and it's a short type of video content you want to share with your audiences. Not only your audiences, but also if your reel can get shared a lot, if you are receiving a lot of views, a lot of likes for your reels, then it is getting shared with your common demographics, or the common look-alike type of audiences automatically via Instagram. And which is the best strategy to make the Instagram reels, which can get huge engagement, and which can if your reel can get viral, if you shoot it such kind of reel, then it tons and tons of people can follow you into your niche. So make sure about the hook in Instagram reel. By making the hook is very important, which validity is how many seconds? Hardly 2 seconds. Yes, trust me, because I'll share my experience. If I watch Instagram reels, then hardly I watch it for 1 to 2 seconds, and then if I like the content, then I watch the complete reel. Otherwise I keep going on scrolling. And frankly speaking, it's not only my case, it can be the case of yours as well, because nowadays these things have cope up into the mind of the audiences. Nowadays audience mind is like that, they want the quick things, they are always in a hurry type of, like if everything is okay, your hook is okay for 2 seconds, then they will watch your complete video. Or if your 2 seconds you will waste by saying, hey, myself Disha, and myself this and myself that, then nobody is going to watch your story, trust me. So that is the main strategy. Okay, another best marketing strategy what you can adopt for your business is try to build the emotional connection with your audience, not always the salesy kind of thing, because people nowadays really don't like hey, buy this product from me, buy that product from me. So this kind of salesy kind of things are really not working nowadays, frankly speaking, because audience are really very matured. The people with whom you are sharing your content, your product and services, already they are talented, maybe more than you but only the fact is they don't have that product, that's why they're buying from you. But that is the reality of the market nowadays. Audience is very brilliant, or even though they are not, they think that yes, I know everything about this product, you just tell me what I can use. So you have to, the main question is you have to make that engagement with your audience, and that is a very big task for the content creator, I must say, because what you will share every day, that can be the question. Like it's okay to post 110, 20 or max 50 videos either via using the ChatGPT, because nowadays these artificial intelligence tools are there, they are supposed to help you to create the content, but at least they are again the artificial intelligence system. Just understand that they need the quality inputs, and then and only then they will give you the quality output. You just understand it. Okay, so again that input is needed, so from where you will get the idea? So that is the major question, and that is the big game. Like hardly within a 2 seconds or 3 seconds you have to set a proper hook, and you have to make your video very engaging. Okay, and don't worry, you can do it, and don't get overwhelmed or scared like, hey, I cannot do this. See, everything is just possible. This happens with everyone, truly saying. It happened with me as well. Okay, so the time when we start the shooting, then that time we get confused like, hey, what to shoot now, what should I pick? The time when camera gets started, that time only we got stuck. Okay, that is the problem with the content creator, that is the problem with the business owners. Yes, that is the real fact, and that is just okay. Okay, but don't shoot the wrong things, don't spread the wrong message with your audiences. Okay, so that things you have to keep into the mind, like what you are doing, what you are posting. It's not necessary to post on a daily basis, it's recommended. Yes, if you can post on daily basis at least one post, that is the best thing. But if you cannot post the quality things or the best things, then I will recommend you should plan only 15 days posting in a month, but those 15 posts should be very quality post, okay? But frankly speaking, if your audience is really very engaging and they wanna more and more videos, according to me, you should post on many things togetherly, because they need engagement. So because Instagram algorithm works like, if they are watching some kind of reel into your industry, then Instagram will recommend them the same industries videos. Like I must say, it's not good for you, it's better for Instagram, it's better for audience, but it's not good for you, because Instagram automatically can give that type of audiences, your competitors to your audiences easily. So that is the game of the Instagram. Like your competitors can be there, but see, to every business there is a solution. You just start it positively, think accordingly that some of your competitors are also doing that. So maybe if they are growing and your Instagram, you are also putting some of the best content, and your stories can be visible to their audiences, right? So you can think, change the mind game, change the strategies, make the proper strategies, craft your solutions completely. So that is the power of the Instagram, and you should utilize it very well. So in conclusion, I must say that Instagram stories and the reels are in the combination, both works well together. So you should try it, both of the things. You should do the A/B testing. I must say, you should try posting the reels and post the stories as well, and see the growth. But only the thing that your hook should be very strong, your target audience should be very strong. What kind of content you are creating, that should be very engaging, and your caption should be very good. Your creative should be very well designed, professionally designed. Your audios, your music should be very trendy musics, the engagement musics you have to put, not the boring kind of music you have to keep. Then your quality, what you're giving, the quality of that reel or the video should be very very best thing. And you can apply all these strategies for your Instagram planner, and you can, I hope you will grow your Instagram very quickly, and you will get a lot of audience, and your audience can be the best customers. So now thank you for watching this video, but before going on, I want to share with you some interesting and the best, maybe you are interested into it, to craft a solution like you for a business owner. I have created a complete video vault series. Into that, what you can go through that. I will put the link in the description below. You just go through that link, check the video vault of my product is. I have crafted it for the business owners like you. What can be the hook at the videos you can put, and you have to just put those hook statements, complete 300 hook statements I'm going to share with you. You can put those hook statements, and you can make your videos very well. And trust me, that is going to be the best video vaults, the best video series for you, because I'm having experience of at least 10 years into this field. So I know what are the difficulties, and I tried and tested a lot of type of graphics, the videos here and there, not only for me but also for my clients as well. So I know what works better in the video things. So without any delay, click the link in the description box and get your own copy today. Thank you for watching this video.